everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl, the Empress Wagwan. So today I am going to bring to you a nice wig. Okay, this unit is called, it have no special name. So it's box braid, but it's 50 inches, and it's a Swiss lace from Cloud9, Sensational Cloud9, and it is 100% hand braided lace wig. So when I tried this, alright, so this is a care card, and it is 4x4 hand tied parting. So with this parting, you have enough to make whatever side part you want. A little lace, whatever side part you want, you can see through it, right? And I have this in the color 1B, and what I'm going to do for you today is to show you how I install it and for it to look real natural. So it's a 4x4 hand tied parting, and it is soft Swiss lace. And yeah, you get some baby hair too. So let's get into installing it, and I will link it down below where I got mine from and the prices and the websites and all that shebang. Check it out. Check it out. So it has two combs in the front. I'm not a big fan of combs, so if you want to take it out, you can. The combs usually snag my hair, and because of that I would use like a cap, and it has one comb in the back. It has elastic adjustable bands as well as another one right here. This right here keeps your hair snug, okay? It's not going anywhere. So I really love this unit because I love seeing everyone in the long box braids, and I'm like, I can't sit down for that long to get my hair done. Plus, for me to do my hair and then to pull it out in no time, I just can't. Not only that, I'm sure it's gonna be heavy. So yeah, I love this wig, trust me. And it's just a one-stop shop. I could always take it off by the end of the day, right? And trust me, this is a no glue, no nothing, no adhesive. I'm using this color because I want to be able to mimic my scalp and just use a foundation powder that matches your skin complexion. I don't really want to do it too much, honestly. You can also do it on the lace if that's better. I'm going to put it on the lace instead because I'm gonna put it on the lace instead. And okay, I'm tired. Okay, put it on the lace instead. So guys, if this is something that I'm going to take off every single day because I don't sleep in my wigs, I'm not going to glue it down for that purpose, but I just wanted to show you how cute this unit is. So I am going to give myself a center parting. How cute is that? Oh God, I just stepped out the salon. Yes, honey. So as I said, it's your preference. These little flaps right here, I don't mind it because it's not going to show I'm wearing it down. Picture right here showing how I looked when I wore this wig before. To see how it looks like it's coming from my skin. See how it looks like it's coming from my scalp? You say You see? And listen, if you itch a lot when you wear braids, this is for you. You like the braid look, but you can't you like the braid look, but you can't deal with the braid scratch. Yeah, this is your wig. Alright? And there you have it, guys. And this is not a sponsored video. Totally my opinion. I bought this with my own money. I just genuinely love the wig. Alright? So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. And also, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, share, and comment. You know, it's all free. Free.